channel, and this is Marvic Sharp. For today's vlog is mag-unboxing tayo ng subwoofer na speaker from Shopee. Ayan guys, yung nabili nating brand niya is Logitech Z213 Compact PC Multimedia. Ayan, so pang ano to guys, multimedia, pwede siyang pang desktop, computer, cellphone, or TV. Ayan guys, lahat compatible ito. So, napili ko ang brand na Logitech guys, kasi maraming bumibili ng Logitech na multimedia speaker. May subwoofer to guys. So, kailangan ko to guys sa aking music. So, kasi yung mga nabili ko before ng mga speaker is maliliit lang guys. So, itry natin guys to kasi parang maganda guys. Kasi bago tayo mag-start guys, kung hindi pa kayo subscribe sa akin channels, please subscribe and click the bell button para updated kayo sa lahat ng video i-upload ko. So, yan guys, magbukas na tayo ng parcel from Shopee. So, ayan guys, eto siya guys. So, medyo malaki siya guys. Ito natin guys. Siya guys. Ayan, ang ganda na guys. So ayan, maayos ang pagka-pack niya. Well packed. Talagang hindi siya masisira kasi every corner meron siyang ganito guys, pang support para hindi siya babasag o may mabasag. Ayan guys, ang model na is Z213. Ayan, Logitech Z213. Ito ang kanyang model. So, naka-plastic pa siya guys. O, sa kahon na guys. Ayan. Try natin buksan to guys. Ayan guys, nakita na natin ang itsura ng ating subwoofer speaker. Ayan. Ayan ang pangalan niya guys, oh, Logitech. Ayan. Ayan. So maganda rin siguro ang brand nito guys, kasi maraming bumibili guys. Maraming reviews na maganda rin daw ang sound nito. Sana walang sira guys yung ating mabibili. Ayan siya guys. So ayan. So ito yung dalawa na speaker na maliit. Ayan siya guys. May kahon siya guys. Ang ganda ng pagkakaano niya guys. Oh well packed siya guys. So ito meron siyang manual siguro guys. Kaya lang in-check guys ang nakasulat. Chong hindi ko maintindihan. Pero maintindihan natin baka merong English. Ayan siya guys. So ayan siya guys. So meron siyang adapter. At ito yung saksakan niya guys. So maliit lang pala siya guys, pero maganda siya guys. Number 1 speaker brand pala ang Logitech guys. Ayan. So ngayon guys, itry natin. Tignan. So, maingat ang pagka-pack niya guys. Una muna natin buksan guys yung dalawang maliliit na speaker. Ayan. ayan, meron siyang, ayan guys, kinukonek ito guys, sa likod siguro nito. Ayan, ganito ang pagkaano niya guys. Isa lang guys, isa lang saksakan niya sa dalawang speaker. Ayan. So, try natin tanggalin ang plastic ng speaker. Ayan. So guys, oh, itsura pa lang guys, mukhang malakas na guys. Ayan na. So, ayan guys, itsura pa lang guys, maganda na siya guys. So, ngayon guys, itong pinakaano niya, subwoofer. Wow, ang ganda niya guys. Parang maliit siya na ano. So, ayan guys, ito yung subwoofer niya guys. Ayan. Ayun, may speaker siya dito guys sa ilalim. Ito yung pinaka-speaker niya sa ilalim. Kasi iba kasi dito, no? Pero siya nasa ilalim yung speaker niya. Then, ito, meron siyang volume. Ayan. Meron siyang volume dito, guys. Ayan. Speaker. Dito kinukonek yung speaker niya, yung dalawang. Ito, guys. Meron siyang connect dito. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Sa likod niya, guys. Makikita niyo rito yung bass. Itong bass niya, guys. Ano, meron siyang maximum and minimum. Ayan. Gusto niya mas malakas yung bass niya. Ito guys. Ito pinakaano niya. Ayan. So, try natin tanggalan to guys. Kung ano ba to. Meron siyang on and off. Ayan. On and off. Tapos, ito yung volume niya guys. Ayan, volume niya dito. Tapos, dito guys, meron siyang headphone. Ayan, dito mo siya ilagay yung headphone. Tanggalin mo natin ito guys. So, ang dami niyang nakabalot guys. Talagang well pack siya guys. Balot na balot siya guys. So, dahan-dahan lang kasi baka maputol ko yung wire. Ayan. Ayan guys, natanggal na natin. So, itry natin tanggalin to guys para humaba o mag-expand yung kanyang, mag-extend yung kanyang wire. Ayan. So, ayan guys. So, siguro ito guys is kinoconnect ito sa desktop. Itry natin guys mamaya i-connect natin ito sa desktop ko. So, ito guys, i-connect, ito yung speaker. Dito yung speaker kasi guys, dito natin ilalagay yung speaker guys dito. Ayan. So, ayun guys, dito yan. Dito natin ilalagay natin dito guys, dito para sa speaker niya. Ayan. I-try nga natin guys muna sa cellphone muna tayo guys. Kasi parang ano siya guys, ayan o. Ito guys. Pang Android, ayan. Ito lang guys, ang saksakan nila guys. So, hindi ka na siguro guys mahihirapan mag-connect. Kasi guys, iisa lang ang kanilang connector. Ayan, gaya lang. Ito lang size nila guys. Guys, nangangailangan siya ng another adapter. Buti na lang marami akong adapter. So, ayan guys. Ito yung, kailangan guys, i-switch muna natin to para magka-power. So, itry natin guys. Ito guys. So, ayan guys. Buti meron ako na to guys. Ito guys, oh. Kailangan may ganito kayo guys. Ayan. So, meron tayo guys. I-try natin i-connect ito guys. So, yung power niya guys. Nasa kayong power niya. On and off. Ayun. Ito yung power niya guys. On and off. And then, i-try na natin guys. I-connect muna sa cellphone ko guys. Kung umaandar siya. ayan guys, maghanap muna tayo ng musics na walang copyright. So, itry natin sa audio library guys. Mag-search muna tayo rito ng ano guys, na mga song dito sa ating YouTube library para iwas copyright. Patugtog tayo ng mga Netflix. Try natin guys. So, dito yung volume niya guys.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
So guys, maganda siya. And then yung bass niya guys, yan doon.
Your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Lumalakas siya guys.
Fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts
So, ayan ang
sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I will taste all the highs and the lows. No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the flow.
Ilalagay natin tong ano guys, etong dito sa may guys, dito sa may nakalagay na headphone. Dito sa guys, i-connect natin to guys. Yan. And then nakasaksak yung isang wire. So itry natin buksan guys kung umaandar ito sa desktop.
My head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Na nag-enjoy kayo at nagustuhan nyo ang ating unboxing. At kung hindi ka pa subscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe and click the bell button para updated kayo sa lahat ng video i-upload ko. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye!